Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a cold start in this S250 Bobcat skid steer, which is going to be fun. It's a diesel, and it should start over pretty easy. Turn over, and I guess we'll find out. Alright, got your throttle pedal down there. Give her some gas when you want to go. Side throttle right there. Here's our seat cover. And the key. Alright. So you just gotta wait for the glow plugs. Now it's gonna count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Glow plug light turned off. Now we can crank her over. Started pretty good. If we want to idle it up, we can too. So that warms up. Yeah, alright. Peace out. Stay tuned for more and subscribe. See you in the next one.